You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this baseball player. If you want to learn more names from the Major League Baseball, make sure to stay tuned. So he's originally from Aruba, which is an island in the Caribbean that belongs to the Netherlands, so it's more of a Dutch name. His name in his native language is pronounced as Xander Bogaerts. Xander Bogaerts. In English, Xander Bogaerts. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.